We're at Shelby, Humane, and this is Miss Betty White, who's just chilling out in the shade, enjoying some loving, and her buddy, Sergeant Sniffles. Both are 5-year-old American Bulldogs. They're both adorable, friendly, gentle, love attention. They will roll over, especially Sergeant Sniffles. He will roll over for belly rubs. He'll put his head on your chest and get petting. And he is just a sweetheart. He sits for treats. And so does Miss Betty White. We are just chilling out, Shelby Humane, and enjoying the Sunday afternoon. Come see both of them. They're for adoption. They're pretty much came in together, and by all accounts seem to be a pretty bonded pair. They can go separately, but they do really, really well together. Come see them. Betty White, Sergeant Sniffles.